animals. Oh! Oh!
Sorry, girl.
Fell on her belly. Wow, that's a really dark one.
Not too bad. You're cold, ain't you?
Yeah, it was a chilly morning. Everybody's probably a little chilly. It's a new species. New species. We got crocodile geckos. Haven't had those in a long time. This one's like pink and orange. The other one's like gray. That one's cool. Cute little guy. Oh, we got another Mexican king snake. Cute. Oh, squirmy worm! He's trying so hard. Oh gosh, what a goofy little guy. Cute. Trying so flee. These are the Schneider Stinks. Oh, so cute. They're so like friendly. Just a friendly little skink. You look tired, little bud. Look at the armful of Pacman frogs we got in. Lots. And red-eyed tree frogs, too. Yeah. Come on, little bud. There you go. Good. So graceful. Oh, that's so cool. Boop. There's Mr. Albino Pacman. They do look like little pieces of orange candy or something. They're cute. This is the strawberry pineapple flavor of Pacman Frog. They sound like the flavors of like tropical snow or something. Yeah. Strawberry pineapple, strawberry, albino. Ooh. Oh, we got chubby frogs in again. Oh, there he is. Oh, one of them's like really fiery red. That one's cool. That one that hopped away. So lazy. Oh, they look like little cowpies. He's like, I'm gonna be very stubborn and not want to get out. The other one's like, I'm just gonna hide down here. I see you up there. Breathing all hard. Ooh, very lime green.
That looks like it's gonna be a male.
No, pale green. Oh, the way they sit. Whee! I got him.
Okay.
He came up here. Hey! What are you doing up there? Hey!
I see him. He's good. He's fine.
The other half of the animals have arrived. Finally. And here are the crabs. The crabs. All the small crabs. We all know what goes in this tank. Red blood pythons.
Just blood pythons, because sometimes we get blacks.
I know. But the tag says red blood pythons. I'm ready. Yeah. Squirmy little guys. Until this little guy is warmed up, he's all hyper now. It's like, let me out of here! Giving you that dirty look. Oh, we got the frillies. Ooh, they're big. We give them this usually give them a tiny baby.
Yeah, both look male too.
Oh boy. 2 males, huh? We'll see. Oh, I love them. So pretty. We're gonna get you nice and fattened up too. Here's an Argentine black and white tegu to go along with our red tegu. Oh boy, he's hyper. Oh, hi little guy. Oh, here's the yellow Saharans.
Seems like that might be the male. Yeah, this one's the female.
Pale belly versus a yellow belly. She looks so offended. Here's the brand new species we've never had ever before. An albino bullfrog. 2 albino bullfrogs it looks like. I just hope they don't try to eat the beta.
Might. Eat anything.
Yeah. We'll see. See if these frogs will. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh. It's like a little lemon candy frog. Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh my god, those are so cool. Aren't they pretty?
Two there, one there, and then 40s.
Alright, last but not least, let's take a look at the spiders we got in this week. Ooh, we got a Carabiner versicolor. Ooh, a young one. See it right there. We've got a tailless whip scorpion in here, but it's kind of hard to see. It kind of blends in with all the dirt that's in there. Kind of see it though. See its legs, its face, and pinchers right there. Alright, next up we've got an ornamental baboon. He's in here. Ooh, fuzzy little guy. And then we've got a Wessel's tiger ornamental. It's in here. You can see why he's called a tiger. He's got some stripes going on there. It's awesome. And yep, that's about it as far as everything goes today.